Okay guys, this is a really quick video on how to make really good bleach water. If you like using bleach but don't like the bleach smell. Okay, best ingredients is about half a cup of baking soda. A cup of white distilled vinegar, and just let that sizzle. And about say quarter cup peroxide. That is it. Hot water. And let that fill up. And you just made yourself your own bleach water, but this is not going to ruin your grout or your tile floors, and it's going to have the same cleaning action, which is nice. Turn that off real quick. This is going to have the same cleaning action as bleach, which is nice, but it's not going to ruin your grout. You can also use this when you're doing your laundry too, when you're doing your whites. It's going to take stains out of your white clothes, so you don't have to worry about when you're using bleach and it ruins your socks, the elasticity in your socks or your bras or your underwear. Use this instead. It won't ruin your clothes, but it'll still take the stains out. Just fill this up with water, however much you fill your bucket up. And then I always use Dawn dish soap. If you like the lemony scent of lemon bleach, add some lemon juice. You like lavender scent bleach, put some lavender essential oil in there, but you know what, put some Dawn dish soap in there too, to take the oil consistency out, but it leaves the scent. My favorite, let me see if I can find it. Here it is. My favorite essential oil to use, I get it at Target. It's called citrus and basil. Just add a few little drops in there. And then, but don't put your Dawn dish soap in until after your bucket is full, until after you're done with your water. Otherwise, you're going to get soap suds and not enough water. So, but that is all for this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.